This is Mecedonia, a glazed polished porcelain tile with a square format and rectified edge for a seamless installation, making it an excellent choice for applications that require crisp, clean lines. With its smooth surface texture and high gloss finish, Mecedonia is able to replicate the look and feel of marble, yet still carry the low maintenance and long lifespan of tile. Its impressive durability and resistance to stains, cracks and scratches make it an excellent choice for high traffic areas. Best suited to interior floors and walls, Mecedonia sets a serene tone in bathrooms and bedrooms and creates stylistic harmony in kitchens and living areas. Its lightly mottled grey palette sits comfortably next to natural elements such as wood and pairs well with glass and metal finishes. Elegant and sophisticated, Mecedonia will deliver a beautifully balanced aesthetic to any living space. Shop it online or in store at Italtile.